What's up, guys? I'm Tom Mifflin. I own Premier Cleaning Solutions located here in Highland, Illinois. I just wanted to jump on real quick and share my story with Ryan and his team at 180 Sites. I first reached out to Ryan about 2 years ago and had them do the free audit on our website that I created. Turns out I'm terrible at creating websites. So I teamed up with Ryan, and him and his team developed this awesome website for us. It has converted countless number of people who come visit our website. It increases our searchability in Google. It just gives us an overall much better presence online. One of the cool things I like about 180 Sites is anytime I need updates done to my website throughout the year, it's a simple email. Whether I'm wanting to update some pictures or change some context online, I just send it over to them, and within the day, my updates are done. Another thing I like is, especially for those guys first starting out, you can finance this. You can pay a low monthly payment over the course of a couple years and get your website sooner with less capital involved for your startup. Or even if you're an established business, I know a few guys who have converted over to Ryan and they're up and running, but his product is just far superior than anything out there right now. So if you're looking to get a new website created, contact Ryan at 180 Sites and you won't be disappointed. Thank you.